review of this Revlon blow dryer styler brush. I am in love. I've already done half of my hair and I was so in love that I was just like, let me start recording because this is my first time using it and I wasn't sure if I would like it, but I love this brush. Like, this will save me so much time in doing the tension method and straightening and blowing out my hair. But let's just jump right into the video. The only products I used to do this style was the TGIN moisturized knee butter. This stuff is amazing. I'll have a review on it in the future. And I also used a little cheese soak infusion. Right now my hair is in an old, it's in an old twist out, so that's what I'm working with. So I'm gonna show you guys how well it works. All I do is comb out this section. And then the magic happens. Okay guys, so some specs about this brush. It is an ionic blow dryer, meaning that it blows out ions so that it takes less time to dry your hair and it's less of a chance of heat damage. There's also, like, the brush also helps to smooth and add shine to your hair. As you can see, my hair was super shiny after I did this. It takes such a short time. There are only 2 heat settings on this brush, high and low, but there's also a cool button, which is what I did after I blew it on high. So yeah, this brush is awesome, guys. Go get it. So I didn't speed it up so you guys can see approximately how long it takes me to do a twist. I have like 6 twists on both sides, but I'm pretty sure that was like 30 seconds or less. No more than a minute for sure. And look how straight my hair got. Like, look at my ends. I know one of the hardest things when blow drying my hair is to get the end straight, and with this, like, you don't even have to worry because with the brush it goes from root to ends, making sure that everything is straight. But I'm gonna keep going and I'll see you guys once I'm finished. So this is pretty much the finished look. I love the results. I got this brush for about $25. It was on clearance at my local grocery store. As you can see, there's holes all over the bristle part of the brush, so it's really amazing, and it blows out heat from all the holes. It's really incredible. I hope you guys like this video. Comment, like, and subscribe.